Are you tired of the constant ringing or buzzing in your ears? Does tinnitus feel like it's taking over your life? Imagine waking up to peace and quiet again. In today's video, we'll explore Zen Cortex, a groundbreaking supplement that's helping people find real relief from tinnitus. Stick around to hear real stories and reviews. It might just change your life. Tinnitus is more than just an annoying noise in your ears. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's that persistent ringing, hissing, or buzzing that only you can hear. And it can make daily life challenging. Whether it's difficulty focusing, trouble sleeping, or constant frustration, tinnitus can truly disrupt your peace of mind. But here's the good news. Solutions like Zen Cortex are changing the game. This natural supplement is designed to target tinnitus at its root, providing relief while supporting your overall brain and auditory health. Does this sound familiar? You're lying awake at night, desperate for silence. Or maybe you're at work, trying to focus, but the ringing in your ears won't let you concentrate. Tinnitus isn't just a minor inconvenience. It can feel isolating and overwhelming. And while many products promise relief, they often fall short, leaving you stuck with the same frustrating symptoms. This is where Zen Cortex steps in. Unlike temporary fixes, Zen Cortex is formulated with carefully selected natural ingredients that work together to support your hearing and brain health. Here's how it helps. Improves blood flow to the auditory system, addressing one of the root causes of tinnitus. Reduces inflammation, a major contributor to tinnitus symptoms. Boosts cognitive function, helping you focus and feel more present in your day-to-day life. Zen Cortex isn't just about masking the symptoms, it's about addressing the root causes for lasting relief. Thousands of people have already experienced the benefits of Zen Cortex. Real users report reduced ringing, better sleep, and improved concentration after just a few weeks. Imagine living without that constant noise, finally enjoying peace and quiet, and focusing on what matters most. That's the power of Zen Cortex. Don't let tinnitus control your life any longer. Take the first step toward relief with Zen Cortex. Click the link in the description below to learn more and order your first bottle today. Your journey to peace and quiet starts here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips and reviews on tinnitus relief and overall wellness. And don't forget to share this video with someone who might need it. Let's help more people find their peace.